If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Gala video update. So we are at the very same place where we're still not going above, and I want to give you a small precaution that this can be your first top and this can be your second top. And if you go by that double top rule, this can be your neckline here in the future. It is not a very confirmed one, but if you do try to come down here, lose this level, which is going to be 0.03632, then you could be looking for a 3063, which is actually going to be a drop. All right, I'm just going to take the measure. Okay, so from the top here to there, that could actually be 15% move to the downside. 2 days ago, I made a video about a retest, and until now for Gala, we haven't really broken out of this place just yet. You can see that you're really trying to break out of it, but you have been resisted again. One resistance, second resistance. You're trying to push above this third resistance right there, but unfortunately that's just a wick. So if I do show you the area zone, you can see that the area filters out the wick and it starts from here. So that's where you add your resistance there and resistance right over here. Okay, so that's one thing that you guys got to check. And for me personally, I still expect that retest, unless you're not going to actually break it and make a bullish closing, backtest things, then you don't have chances to go down. Then you have chances to actually move to this price target of 0.11, and that's actually a very big trading opportunity if you do get a trading opportunity like this. Bitcoin is pumping for some reasons. If Bitcoin has any effect, then this one can actually start to pump as well. If this one starts to pump because of Bitcoin, amazing, you're in for a treat. You're in for another leg to the upside. Who knows, you can actually start an Elliott wave theory, something like a first wave, you go for the second one, and then you push in for the third wave, for the fourth one, and then you make another fifth wave to the upside. So yeah, it is what it is. I just see that that can actually, if you're not going to come down for the retest, but even if you come down for the retest, let me tell you, the beauty is you can make this as your first wave and go for, oh no, that's a trend line. Okay, you can make this for, like, this can be your first wave, go for the second wave, go for this third, fourth, and then break it out and then go for the fifth wave. Even this one is another scenario that can play out. So whatever it is, we're going to see, break the resistance, hold it as a support, move to the upside. Otherwise you go down. This is my expectation. I told you, expectation not confirmed, that you have to retest something you broke out of. That's a healthy way to go upside. So that's pretty much it for this update on Gala. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.